Welcome back to Car Autoz, where passion meets precision and every ride has a story worth telling. Today the spotlight is on a machine that blends nostalgia with innovation, the GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026. It is not just a vehicle, it is an emblem of heritage reimagined for the modern road. For decades GMC has been known for designing trucks that stand tall with power, durability and unmistakable style. In 2026 they are taking it to another level by bringing back vintage character and combining it with cutting-edge technology. This truck is more than metal and horsepower, it is a bridge between past and future. When you first set eyes on the GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026, it instantly commands attention. The design team clearly drew inspiration from classic pickup trucks of the 1960s and 70s. The squared edges, bold grille and chrome accents immediately remind enthusiasts of a time when trucks were built with rugged simplicity and undeniable presence. Yet at the same time the silhouette is refined and modern. LED headlamps with retro round housings, chrome bumpers polished to perfection and wheels that echo the spirit of old-school designs give it a truly timeless look. It is like rolling down memory lane with the benefits of modern comfort. Step closer and you begin to notice the details that set this truck apart. The badging is styled in classic GMC script with subtle modern tweaks. The hood carries a muscular stance, the side panels maintain that vintage boxy character, and the bed features durable wood grain accents reminiscent of the pickups that once ruled farms and small towns across America. GMC has not only revived the aesthetic but elevated it with a premium feel. It is clear that this pickup is not about gimmicks, it is about honoring a legacy. But make no mistake, the GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026 is not just about looks. Under the hood lies the power that defines GMC. Buyers will be able to choose between a refined V8 engine that delivers raw strength and an advanced electric powertrain that speaks to the future of driving. The V8 carries that classic rumble that old-school drivers love. It is built for towing, hauling and giving you that commanding roar when you press the accelerator. On the other hand, the electric version offers instant torque, smooth acceleration and zero emissions, all while maintaining the traditional pickup toughness. This dual approach makes it a truck for every generation, from those who grew up around carburetors to those who are embracing the EV revolution. Performance is not just about engines, it is about experience. The suspension is tuned to give the GMC Vintage Pickup 2026 a balance between rugged durability and smooth ride quality. Whether you are driving on the highway or venturing off-road, the truck feels confident and composed. The steering has just enough weight to remind you of its vintage inspiration, yet it incorporates modern precision for easy handling. Towing capabilities remain impressive with advanced trailer assist systems ensuring that even big jobs are handled with ease. GMC made sure that tradition did not come at the cost of utility. Now let's step inside, where the heart of nostalgia meets modern luxury. The interior is a masterpiece in itself. At first glance you see retro-inspired dials, a classic steering wheel design and subtle wood trims that mirror the bed accents. The dashboard maintains that horizontal old-school layout, but hidden within are the latest digital displays and connectivity features. The infotainment system is fully touch-enabled with voice controls, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, yet it is framed in a way that pays homage to analog dashboards of the past. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with stitching patterns inspired by vintage truck benches. Comfort is at the core here with heated and ventilated options, memory functions and spacious legroom. This is a truck built for both weekend nostalgia cruises and daily commutes. GMC engineers clearly understood that if you are going to build a vintage-inspired truck in 2026, it cannot just be a throwback, it has to embrace modern expectations for comfort and convenience. Safety is another area where modern meets heritage. The 2026 GMC Vintage Pickup may look classic, but it is equipped with the most advanced driver assistance systems. Features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking all come standard. There is also a 360-degree camera system cleverly integrated without disturbing the retro aesthetic. It proves that you can enjoy vintage vibes without compromising modern safety. One of the most exciting aspects of this truck is how it creates a sense of community. Enthusiasts are already buzzing about how the GMC Vintage Pickup 2026 could bring together old-school collectors and younger drivers who appreciate retro style with modern practicality. Imagine seeing this truck at a car meet. The chrome shining under the sun, the retro badge catching eyes, and under the hood either a roaring V8 or a whisper-quiet electric motor. It is a conversation starter, a unifier, and a statement of identity. GMC is also offering a range of customization options. Buyers can choose from heritage-inspired paint colors like deep forest green, sunburst orange, midnight black, and a special edition two-tone design. Wheel designs range from steel classics to polished alloys, bridging decades of truck design. Even the interior can be personalized with different trims, giving every driver a chance to craft a truck that reflects their story. As we move deeper into 2026, the automotive industry is racing toward electrification and smart features. Yet what makes the GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026 stand out is that it refuses to forget where it came from. It pays respect to the generations of trucks that built America's roads, farms, and families. It recognizes that vehicles are more than transportation, they are memories, milestones, and symbols of hard work and pride. So who is this truck really for? It is for the collector who loves heritage but wants modern usability. It is for the driver who grew up in a family that owned a GMC truck and now wants to relive that experience with their own children. It is for the young enthusiast who loves retro style but demands cutting-edge features. In truth, it is for anyone who values the perfect balance between past and present. The GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026 is not just a release, it is a reminder. A reminder that while technology moves us forward, history keeps us grounded. A reminder that innovation can still carry soul. And above all, a reminder that a truck can be more than just a machine, it can be a story on wheels. That is what makes this vehicle special and why at Car Autoz we believe it deserves the spotlight. It is rare to find a vehicle that speaks to both the heart and the future. The GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026 does exactly that. Whether you are chasing nostalgia or innovation, this truck promises to deliver both in one unforgettable package. And as always, here at Car Autoz we celebrate rides that inspire. The GMC Vintage Pickup Truck 2026 is proof that the road ahead can be paved with the echoes of the past.